Hello students, it's Samantha, and today we are going to be learning about recycling. In this video, you will learn what recycling is, what materials are recyclable, and how you can sort material and put them in containers in your community. Let's get started. First, what is recycling? Recycling is processing used material to make something new. Recyclable materials. We come across these materials every day. For example, over here is a picture of a cardboard box. We see cardboard boxes when we order items off the internet like Amazon, and our purchases are packaged in a cardboard box. Also, sometimes when you are at the grocery store, you will see that fruits and vegetables are sometimes held in a cardboard box. So cardboard is our first recyclable material. Next, below, we have a picture of plastic containers or plastic packaging. Plastic, in general, is a recyclable material. These plastic packages are often used to store food, especially when you order food to take away from a restaurant. So plastic is a recyclable material. Next, over here, we have a picture of glass bottles. Glass bottles. Glass is a recyclable material. Below the bottles is a jar. Glass jars are also recyclable. Sometimes in the store, you will find glass jars filled with jam or sauce or a few other things. When these are empty, you can wash them and then recycle them. Okay? Next, up here, we have newspaper. Newspaper. Newspapers are also recyclable. Once you or your parents are finished reading them, you can put them in a recycling bin. Next is aluminum. Aluminum cans are also recyclable. As you can see, whenever you drink a soda or a can of water, you can rinse out that can and put it in a recycling container. So let's review these 6 recyclable materials. Cardboard, plastic, glass bottles, glass jars, newspaper, and aluminum cans. Very good, everyone. Now, we're going to talk about how we can sort these materials in the containers that you see within our community. Let's take a look. Here are 3 pictures of different kinds of containers that we see within our community. On the left is a container with a yellow top. The container with a yellow top is where you put items made of plastic and aluminum. So materials made of plastic and aluminum can be put in this bin with a yellow top. Glass bottles And jars can be put in this green container. Glass belongs in the green container. In the container with a blue top, you can put cardboard and paper. The bin with a blue top is where you put cardboard and paper. So, if we remember the items that we looked at before, we need to figure out which container they belong in. Let's see which items belong in the yellow container. The plastic packaging belongs in the yellow container. And the aluminum cans also belong in the yellow container. How about the cardboard and paper container with the blue top? Newspapers belong in this container. Newspaper belongs in the container with a blue top. Next is cardboard. Cardboard boxes also belong in the container with a blue top. There should be 2 more items that we need to place in a container. Let's see where they belong. Glass bottles belong in the green container. Glass belongs in the green container. And a glass jar also belongs in the green container. Great job! Plastic and aluminum belong in the yellow container. Glass bottles and glass jars belong in the green container. Cardboard and papers belong in the blue container. Now, for homework, I would like you to find materials in your house that are recyclable. Then I would like you to record a video of you identifying the material: plastic, glass, paper, cardboard, aluminum, and tell me which container it belongs in. Blue for cardboard and paper, green for glass, or yellow for plastic and aluminum. I look forward to seeing your videos. Talk to you soon.